thought about using AI to easily explore the internet? Today, we've got the answer. Imagine this. You can start web surfing with ChatGPT in no time. But here's the big question. How? Well, hang tight, because we're going on an exciting digital adventure and it's going to blow your mind. In the exciting world of technology, artificial intelligence is getting ready to change the way we do business. Just like personal computers, the internet, and social media did in the past. Think of it as the next big step that we've all been looking forward to. And guess what? It's just gotten a big upgrade. Today, we're going to talk about the amazing things that this new version of artificial intelligence, powered by ChatGPT, can do and how it can make a big difference in your financial success. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, will change the business world as personal computers, the internet, and social media did in their times. It's the next thing in technology that promises to create many opportunities, and right now, it's changing really fast. So what's all the excitement about? Well, let's talk about how these advanced AI with the help of ChatGPT can actually help you make money. We're going to share how you can use this cutting-edge technology to benefit your finances. Stay tuned, because this is something you'll want to know about. Sam Altman is the mastermind behind ChatGPT, also known as OpenAI. So OpenAI had its humble beginnings as a non-profit organization in the heart of San Francisco. Founded by a group of brilliant AI researchers, they were on a mission to advance the field of artificial intelligence. But here's where it gets interesting. Enter Elon Musk, the tech maverick himself, who generously donated a whopping $1 billion to the cause. Elon even spilled the beans in an interview about OpenAI's inception and the intriguing shift from non-profit to for-profit status. He raised some eyebrows, questioning the motives of the founders and the CEO. Now, fast forward a bit, and things take an unexpected turn. OpenAI officially transitioned from a non-profit entity to a for-profit corporation. And guess what? Elon Musk, despite his initial involvement, is no longer on the board and has no financial stake in the company. Quite the plot twist, right? But hold on, there's more to this. Microsoft, that colossal tech giant founded by the legends Paul Allen and Bill Gates, steps in and drops a jaw-dropping $10 billion into OpenAI's coffers. Impressive, right? But there's a catch. You see, since OpenAI started as non-profit, there's a clause in play. This clause essentially says, hey, we're all about being for profit, but we're also here for the greater good. So here's the kicker. Early investors in OpenAI can only expect a 100 times return on their investment. Sounds like a lot, but let's break it down. Imagine you put $10 million into OpenAI from the get-go. Well, your maximum return would be $1 billion. Now, to most of us, that sounds like hitting the jackpot. But in the world of venture capital, where taking risks is the name of the game, your potential returns are usually limitless. Now, we've talked about artificial intelligence and ChatGPT. Let's get into some exciting news. Brace yourself, because ChatGPT can now browse the internet. But before we dive into that, there's some important information you might have missed. Microsoft has invested a huge amount of $10 billion. So how does this connect to ChatGPT's new internet browsing abilities? Well, that's a great question, and we're here to explain it. You see, ChatGPT and Microsoft have teamed up in an amazing partnership. Microsoft owns the famous search engine, Bing. And guess what? Bing is now smoothly connected with ChatGPT, allowing it to easily search and explore the vast internet. This collaboration between ChatGPT and Microsoft is a game changer, and is going to change the way we find information online. So get ready to see ChatGPT's internet surfing skills in action. All thanks to this fantastic partnership. Alright everyone, let's get started and learn how to use ChatGPT to browse the internet. It's a 3-step process, and it's really simple. Step 1. Begin by opening your internet browser. Once it's open, Just type ChatGPT into the search bar. It's easy, right? The best part is that ChatGPT is free to use. But here's the thing. To get all its great features, you'll need to create an account. You can try it for free, but for the full experience, you'll need to take the next step. Now, step number 2. If you're ready to get more from ChatGPT, think about getting ChatGPT Premium Plus. It costs just $20 a month. I know you might be thinking, $20? Really? But trust me, it's worth it, especially if you plan to use it a lot. Premium Plus comes with premium features like access to GPT-4, which is the best version, faster response times, special plugins, and excellent data analysis. But the exciting news is that they've added a big feature, the ability to browse the internet with ChatGPT. But wait, there's one more important thing to know. You might be using the regular version GPT 3.5, but there's an upgraded version, GPT-4. Thanks to a partnership with Microsoft. This version lets you surf the web with ChatGPT. So here's how you do it. To browse with Bing and watch as ChatGPT starts searching the internet for you is like having your own web browsing helper right on your computer. Now we're going to open doors to endless possibilities for you, and we'll talk about how to use ChatGPT to make money. Yes, you heard it right. Aside from the exciting news that we just mentioned, these AI-powered tools can turn into your secret cash cow. So let's dive in. Freelancing as a ChatGPT expert, it's a game changer. ChatGPT can be your ticket to earning some serious cash. You can offer your services to businesses and individuals who need a helping hand with a variety of tasks. First up, content generation. With ChatGPT, you can create blog posts, articles, social media content, and even entire books. Offer your services to those who crave high-quality content. You're basically a content wizard. Next, translation. ChatGPT can smoothly translate text from one language to another. It's invaluable for businesses operating globally or individuals handling multilingual documents. Your language skills can bring in the money. Now, question answering. From answering simple facts to tackling complex questions, ChatGPT can do it all. Businesses and individuals are always on the hunt for reliable information. Be their go-to guru and earn your keep. But that's not all. Creating and selling ChatGPT-powered products and services is another goldmine waiting for you to explore. Think about chatbots. Develop chatbots using ChatGPT for customer support, lead generation, or answering queries. Businesses are hungry for these efficient bots. Sell them or offer your expertise in chatbot development. Or how about writing assistant? ChatGPT can help people write better, fixing grammar, checking for plagiarism, and refining their writing style. Businesses and individuals alike will love this. You can sell your writing assistant or provide services for hire. And don't forget ChatGPT training. You can create courses teaching others how to wield ChatGPT's power. Topics like content generation, translation, and question answering will always be in demand. Sell your knowledge to individuals and businesses hungry for expertise. And there you have it. The world of artificial intelligence is evolving at lightning speed. And with ChatGPT's new internet browsing capabilities, the possibilities are endless. But here's the big question for you. How would you use ChatGPT's internet browsing feature? Whether it's for research, entertainment, or something entirely unique, we want to know. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring with ChatGPT.